Morning, students. My name is Chris Allen, and I am your geometry teacher. And today's video is for our first module, the start of using our online textbook. Hopefully, I've already done this with you in class, but just in case I haven't, I want to kind of go through how to log in. And I guess I should probably talk about what the assignment is too. So the goal is each week we'll cover roughly 2 sections per module or per week. So week 1, August 10, we're going to work on module 1, which is covering sections 1, 2, which is on points, lines, and planes, and section 1, 3, which is on measuring segments. Much of the material in these 2 lessons should be somewhat review from what you've learned back in middle school. I know that's been a while, but anyways, the big thing is you've got to be able to log into the Pearson website through the school webpage. So I want to show you how to do that. So I'm going to share a web browser with you. So hopefully you're looking at my web browser now. And so here's the Perry Township webpage. And what you want to do is you want to go to Students and then go to Resource Portal. And then click Resource Portal. You may already know how to do this, but I'm just making sure. And then on the right-hand side, you will see some links that says Online Text. Again, you may have done this before, but we're going to go to Pearson. And for you to log in, you're going to use your username, which is going to be your student ID number, and then @Perry, and then this dash, and then TX. And then the password is Euclid. And then you're going to sign in. Okay, I'm going to hit don't save, and you'll get in. And I'll show you how to spell Euclid in just a second. Euclid's a very famous math person. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of that. And again, I just want to show you what that password is and how you can get into that. So I'm just going to open up Word, and I'm going to make the text large here so you guys can see that. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so we're going to just do a blank document here in Word, and I'm going to make it large so hopefully that you guys can see this. Okay, so the username I'm going to use is going to be whatever your student ID number is, and I think it's 6 numbers, and then @Perry-TX. So that's going to be your username. The password to get into the book is going to be, now everything's lowercase, so don't make it an uppercase, even though I know that's a name. Euclid is a famous geometer. So that is the password for the class. So to get into your account on Pearson's website, you put your login number, whatever that is, @Perry-TX. And then the password is Euclid. So that'll let you get into your online textbook. Okay, now I'm going to go back and just kind of simulate what you guys are going to be seeing then when you do that. So I've already logged myself in, and I'm pretending, now this is what I could see as a teacher, but I'm trying to preview these assignments. So the 2 assignments again are section 1, 2 and section 1, 3. So go into this section here, and let's see here. Yeah, I wanted to preview this. Well, I thought I could preview this, but maybe I can't. Let me go to this one here. I guess it's not letting me preview, so I apologize on that. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to, oh, there it is. There's the preview. Sorry. You're going to go into this, and it's not assigned yet. So there's going to be, you'll have access to the student e-text. And then you're going to go through these guided instructions, so the key concepts, and then some practice problems that they're going to walk you through. And then at the end, there's some extra, if you want to do some extra practice problems, you can do that here in step 7, and then finally a little lesson quiz. And it'll keep track of all of that for you. So if you want to see, like, for example, I don't know what this problem is, but you can see up here, it kind of gives you, do this first, do that. And you can skip some of these things. So let's see what this does. If I,
problem.
yeah. So the problem is the program is actually telling you which postulate that you need to use. And then here's the figure, and it says what plane contains NPQ, and then shade the plane. So that's an example of what you're going to be doing. And you're going to do that on your own, preferably before you come to class. Now I've made this module is for the week of August 10th. But what I've done is this is actually the module will unlock, I think, on August 5th. And I'm not making it due until August 19th. So you can start early. And I'm giving you some wiggle room to finish a little bit late. Now, here's the thing. I recommend that you get these done the week of August 10th. But if you need a couple more days, you can have that. But just keep in mind, if you keep pushing stuff off, you're going to kind of get behind the rest of the class. I'm putting that in there to hopefully relieve your anxiety and give you some time to, if something happens and you need another day, it's not going to hurt your grade. I hope that makes sense. But like if you push it off till the week of August 19th, well, guess what's going to happen that week? There's going to be another lesson. And then there's going to be an assessment or a quiz or a test and things. So if you're constantly if you're procrastinating and putting things off, you're going to kind of get behind the 8 ball. So anyways, when we meet in class, we will discuss these things, and I'll take questions and do some activities and things like that. But we're doing a flipped model. Okay, so I'm going to end the recording there. Have a good day.